So you applied for the EIDL loan and grant, and you haven't heard anything. Well, in this video, I take you through my entire timeline from the day I applied all the way till the day I received the grant money and the loan money into my business checking account. I show you the email chains and the dates associated with it and the correspondence that I received from the SBA all the way through the whole process. Did you get your money or are you still waiting? Let me know in the comments below where in the process you are. My name is Nick and welcome to Mystery of Money, the channel where I discuss relevant financial topics and attempt to remove some of the mystery that surrounds money. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're looking for other videos about money, consider subscribing. If you find value in this video, I'd appreciate a like. Now let's get into the video. I applied for my EIDL loan and grant on March 16th. That was shortly after my state declared the state of emergency and allowed the portal to be open for my state. After I applied, this is the only screen I got. I got no confirmation email that I applied, but this screen popped up. And this states my application number. A little over a month later, I received an email from the SBA that had stated that the grant portion terms had changed from the $10,000 per business to $1,000 per employee. 9 days later, on April 23rd, I received the grant money deposited into my account. No email, no correspondence, nothing. Just I logged into QuickBooks and there it was, a transaction, which I thought great. I could definitely use the money. I was hoping for the loan also, but the grant would help me get through the time while I was waiting for the application process. Another month went by. On May 22nd, I received the email from the SBA. It's actually Disaster Something SBA. Once I received that email, that was to open up the portal for me to create a login, to finish the documents and request the loan amount, all those things. I went in and originally I was approved for $150,000. I only took $24,900 and I'll link to another video why I took that amount. I tested for everything, certified everything, and then within hours I got another email saying it was approved and I needed to sign my documents. Signed the documents on my smartphone and that's all I heard. Hit submit and it was gone. And on the 27th of May, my loan was deposited into my business checking account. So again, that was my process. It was very long, very drawn out, but very painless. I didn't contact the SBA one time during the whole process. I never had to talk to anyone, received very little correspondence from the SBA other than the emails that I showed. I do know that since I went through the process, it has definitely sped up because I see other people are getting their grant within a couple hours, a couple days, and then the paperwork for the loan portion is coming a week or two later. So I definitely know they're back on top of it, which I'm very happy to hear that people are getting their money. If you want to see how I spent my money, I'm going to link that video right here. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. I wish you the best of luck on your financial journey. Again, if you got value out of this video, smash that like button and also subscribe so you can follow me along this financial journey. Till next time, have a great day.